welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nicole and welcome to another house vlog. So I took this door off and you know this is next. I am so scared right now, but I have a lot of renovations still left to do and this vlog should be a pretty interesting one. I don't know what's happening in this vlog, but I do know it will be interesting because they've all been interesting. So if you missed any of the house vlogs, definitely go back to catch up if this is the first one you're watching. But yes, today I am taking this wall down. I am so scared. I have no idea how hard or easy this will be. I don't even know like where it connects down here to this closet that I do want to keep. I do want to keep the closet. So I don't think it will take the closet. But if it does, then, you know, it's just some drywall. Honestly, actually, I think it will take the closet. Yeah, I think it will take the closet because I think this right here is an add-on and then like it goes up there to that. So I don't think I will have this closet anymore. But you know what? Whatever. It'll just be some drywall, and if I want to keep the closet, if not, then I can just do something else. I don't know, but I don't want this wall right here. I want this to be open. It's closed and it pisses me off every single time I walk past it. So let's get into this video. So like I said, I already took this door down and now I'm trying to take this down, but I'm trying to take it down carefully. I don't really know what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna take this other door piece off. So we're just gonna start with the trims, I guess. Okay, that's one way to get it down. Honestly, I'm over it. I'm just about to do it the way I really freaking want to do it. There we go. Now we're working with something. I don't know what to do with this. Okay. See? Has a blade in it?
Yeah, it does. You have to put the blade on, which it's got your tool in there too to take this nut off, and it slides on there. If you don't want the saw, just bring it back and you can return it.
Okay, so as you see, I am in Lowe's right now because in the last vlog my wood would not fit. So quick little update for you guys. I came here to let them know the full story about how I tried to get the wood and the guy sold me some wood that he said was standard size and it didn't fit, but they already cut it so I couldn't return it. Long story short, they got me this saw and you just heard the guy in the last clip say that once I finish using it I can return it. And so sorry that that clip was not clear, but I was like speed recording. But yes, now that I have a saw, I can cut the wood down to fit the area that I needed to fit. So that would be very interesting for you guys. I'm doing that in this vlog, be able to cut that down. I'm first sanding the stairs today, then I can cut it down and then I can fit it in and then I can be done with what I'm doing today because I will have to go get a stain probably tomorrow or today. I don't know. We'll see how everything works out, but I'm so happy that this is working out. And oh gosh, she scared me. I did not know that was back there. Okay, I'm gonna finish this in a second. Hey guys, so it is another day. Actually, it's much later from the last time I vlogged because I went home. And if you're watching this video, then you've already seen me film like a pack with me. And I also filmed while I was at home for Mother's Day. And by the time you're watching this video, I'm already done with literally everything. But in today's video, I will finish sanding the stairs that are behind me. I also still have this wood right here that I need to saw down for the first time today. So I will be doing that. And update on this cutesy little wall. So I knocked down some more and I just need to get this wall, but I decided to save this for the vlog. So yes, I knocked this down and I just need to get this wood down, and this already looks so much more open and I literally love it, but I need to clean this up because I have things being delivered for this bathroom, or I need to go pick up things for this bathroom, which I'll probably do in this vlog as well. And I need to officially like actually clean the kitchen now that the appliances and everything are gone. And yes, everything is happening. Everything is happening so soon.
put it on there and let it sit, leave it sit a few minutes and then wipe off the excess.
Okay, vlog. I'm home, and as you see above me, the floors are sanded and done. And earlier today, from the last few clips, I was picking a few things up from the store. So I opened this saw that I got the other day, and I realized I do not feel like trying to utilize this. So I went to Home Depot and got an easier, cutesy little saw and a few other things. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and put these boards on to, we're gonna go ahead and put these boards on today because I'm ready to finish the stairs. I also picked up some wood stain, because this is the color I want the stairs to be, which is why I didn't really do much of a sand on the stairs currently, because they will be dark anyway. But I just got as much off as I felt was necessary. Okay, just so I can test the saw and everything, I'm going to use a smaller board to measure with. And I'm trying to overcut it just so that way if I make a mistake, I can go back and fix it. And fingers crossed I don't make a mistake. I'm literally on a roll every single time like I start cutting, and then I get to like the dark pieces of the wood, and it makes like the scratching sound like you're scratching on a chalkboard. I can't. Makes my teeth like grind. Okay, hold on, I gotta get through it though. I hate that so much. So this part is loose at the top, but not at the bottom. And I don't really know what to do here because I can't go to the bottom to make it loose. Unless I lean it like this. I was gonna say, I just don't want it to fall on me. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, I'm on the very last little piece over here. And well, besides this, I have to get this up too, but I'm on the very last piece. And let me just say, this is a huge mess. I have no idea how I'm gonna get this out of here. Maybe I'll probably just pay the people who are coming over here tomorrow to do some demolition with their truck. I'll probably pay them a little bit extra to take all of this out, and I can definitely load this onto the truck. That's fine. It won't fit into my Kia Soul. But anyways, I'm so happy that this is the very last piece. And honestly, it hasn't even been that bad. I don't know. I put it off because I thought it would be super hard to do. Okay, there we go. I don't know what kind of nails these are, but they are so bendy, and it's literally not helped the process at all. It's actually made it so much harder. Whenever I can like knock down a piece of wood, it starts bending, like the nail starts bending. But I guess that's good for like construction purposes. I forgot to update you guys, but the wall is completely down. I will have to get the people who are coming in tomorrow, or not have to, I'm gonna ask them if I could just, pay them extra to take this. And I do want to load it on there. So I mean, I do want to load it on there mainly for the vlog, but like if they could take it, that would be nice. But you can kind of see like where I stopped painting and where the walls started, and where I will have to start painting again, and then also where I will have to fix the ceiling here. But also, my plan was to finish the stairs. So I have like all of the sand stuff on the wall that I have to clean. Also, I actually have to clean the wall here and on the side and literally everywhere. I also have to clean the white part and do some extra painting to fill in the little gaps and everything. But yeah, so my plan was to finish the stairs today, but I have the demo people coming in tomorrow to work on this bathroom. So I actually have to clear all of this out so that they have a clear canvas and everything. And yes, they're starting on this bathroom, but they have to take the tub down. So I was like, I'll just wait. I don't want them to mess up brand new stairs. And yeah, so I'm planning to paint this white whenever they're done with the bathroom. And then stain this. Again, the dark wood, it was already stained, painted. I don't know which one it was, but it will be dark wood and white. And then I need to clean this off and basically do touch-ups with the paint. Then once I'm done with that, I can sand and stain down here as well. And I can also take this and throw this away too when they get here, and also throw this away when they get here. But yes, I can paint and sand the floors here, and paint and sand in here once all of this is removed. So yes, it's coming along. I'm so happy, and I'm actually going to end the vlog here because I want to start a brand new vlog when the demolition starts. So yes, thank you all so much for watching this video and this process. We're almost at the end because right after they do the upstairs bathroom, then I have the ceiling people scheduled to come in, and then the what's it called? Oh, the installation of the cabinets, which I had to push back the cabinets and the ceilings to fit in the bathroom upstairs. So anyways, things got pushed back a little bit, but it's okay because everything is going to work out, and I'm so happy we're almost at the end. Thank you all so much for watching and sticking along with me throughout this entire process. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.